Hi everyone, today I would like to share with you this beautiful Christmas tree crochet pattern. This is the simplest pattern you can find on the internet, crocheting the tree, because all you need is one row, and then we make the Christmas tree by sewing these parts. It's just a very simple, you put the yarn here and you join all the layers. You can use beads or tassels to decorate it. It really looks amazing. It's very simple. You won't believe how fast you can make several of them. You can use different types of yarn. As you may see, there are like different sizes and different colors. You can make with chunky cotton or acrylic or thinner yarn, and can use more beads in each layer, or just on top and bottom. Actually, following the same idea, you can make gnomes by changing the beard. You keep the beard here and all the same, and you make the gnome instead of Christmas tree. I'm sure if you like this tutorial, I can show you how to make gnomes. You can Google as well, and this pattern is really beautiful. I saw some macrame videos of how to make it, and I decided to make with crochet technique, and I think that is one of the most beautiful tree I made for the Christmas ornaments and also for the gift tags. I think they're really perfect. You used little yarn, it takes no time, so for a quick gift, really, you can experiment with the colors, even with the stitches, size of yarn, and make your own special Christmas tree. So now I will tell you what you need. So you need tapestry needle, beads if you want to, and of course the yarn and the hook. I'm using chunky yarn so you can see better, and 8mm crochet hook. So all we need is to chain. I'm going to, so basically you can make it any shape. So the shape you wish depends how many chains you make. So for this one, I want to make it around 56 centimeters. That's the shape and the size I like. You can experiment, but you can try first following my tutorial, and then you can make it based on your own, because I just free chained and then folded, and now I will show you. So first chain, I will chain around 60. So I guess if you have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 folds, that will make a beautiful Christmas tree. 2, 3, 4, 5. So I keep making until I have 60 chains. So I have 60 chains. Then I'm going just to make single crochet. So if you have less chunky yarn, you can even try to make half double crochet or double crochet. Actually, this pattern is very simple, and you can experiment with the widths, with the lengths. I'm just showing you as an example that is super easy, and just to show you how easy you can and how fast you can make it. So just make the row of single crochet. In case you don't know single crochet, you insert into the chain, grab the yarn, 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2. So just keep making the whole chain until the end. And now my tree is practically done. I'm going just to measure in centimeters. So to give you an idea. So after I crochet one row, so I initially chained 60. I'm sorry. So I have 63 centimeters, and the width is 2 centimeters. That is the perfect Christmas tree size, I guess. You can make smaller, and yeah, I didn't measure for you this one, so since we are measuring, I'm going to measure. This one is 10. It's really perfect. And this one is 9 here. So here is also a very beautiful tree with less 6, and yeah, 7 here. So for this one, now first I will weave the ends. So all we need now is to fold it, and you can start with the shortest layer, then fold a bit bigger. So in your hand, just keep folding. So once you fold the tree, you can keep it like that. Then you take tapestry needle with the yarn, preferably with the same color, but thinner. You can make a different color. It depends your preference, and you have to go into each layer like that. Normally I try to go to the middle and take each layer. So as if you are making a skewer of meat, you pull all of the layers on the needle. Preferably you have a long needle, so it's more convenient to work with. And you put this one on top. And the tree is basically done. Then you can decorate it as you prefer. Normally I use the beads to make it. Then here I have to cut the yarn. So you can make the knot and use it as my Christmas ornament. And here I can make a tassel. So I use the same color, a bit longer, like around this size. Then I fold and I see how it will look like. It's even too long. Like this size is fine. I make normally 3, 4 if it's chunky. Like that, you cut the yarn. Okay. Then you just open here. First, I normally use the bead down as well because I like the look of it. Just use the needle to pull. So you can also first secure it with the knot down, so it will stay stable. Pull it a bit here, and then just I place the bead here, and you have to put some yarn. And make a knot. Normally I prefer to make 3 knots just to be sure that they will not undo. And then all you need is to brush the tassel if you want like this style, or sometimes I even keep like this. So it all depends how you prefer, and then your perfect Christmas tree is done. So I will just cut and brush off camera. I think you understood already how to make it, and I'm sure that this tree ornament will make your Christmas really special. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, give like to this video, and see you again next time.